If you're in maintenance, you know it's important to have a fix when an old, rusty nut or bolt won't come loose. Low-strength products don't do the trick, and you're worried you could even harm yourself if you try to unscrew it. To solve this, use something like Guardian Penetrant. Guardian Penetrant is an aerosol-penetrating fluid that penetrates, cleans, and lubricates rusty parts. To demonstrate, we'll spray Guardian Penetrant on this old, rusty bolt. Not only does it penetrate the nut and loosen it, it leaves a fine oil film that helps to fight further corrosion. A good fit for use on bolts, nuts, mufflers, brake cables, and lock mechanisms, Guardian Penetrant's safe formula is also completely non-flammable. With Guardian Penetrant's spray head and aerosol power, you'll be able to utilize it in hard-to-reach places that would otherwise be inaccessible. Now, head to www.stateindustrial.com and check out Guardian Penetrant and more.